This wall mount storage system is motorized. You mount it to the wall, and with the flip of a button, you can also have a security code lockout. I can lower items down and away from the wall for me to unload. And then when I need to get them out of the way, you can see this customer has 3 or 4 units across this wall. I hit a button and it lifts those up out of the way and compresses them against the wall. And these solutions can be used for tubs, bikes, clothing garments, wheelchairs. There's tons of options. That platform gives you the ability to store almost anything.